Every journey carries risk. At Simply Unified, we believe safety should never be left to chance. That's why we've developed a powerful AI-driven dashcam system designed to protect what matters most: your people, your vehicles, and your business. Tailgating, distracted driving, speeding, lane drifting. These aren't just risky behaviours, they're preventable incidents. With Simply Unified's AI dashcams, these behaviours are detected instantly, coaching drivers in real time to prevent accidents before they happen. Our Safety Manager portal gives your team real-time access to AI-triggered risk events, HD footage, and synchronized telematics data, all from one secure, cloud-connected platform. Maintain compliance with accurate automated reporting. From regulatory audits to insurance claims, every detail is logged and ready. Turn every event into an opportunity. Visual-based coaching tools and driver scorecards empower your team to improve behind the wheel. At the heart of this system are our VT145 and VT245 dashcams, built for performance, reliability, and complete visibility. The VT145 is a compact front-facing AI dashcam that captures crisp full HD video with a 142-degree field of view, wide enough to cover every lane, sharp enough to analyze every event. The VT245 adds a second inward-facing IR camera to monitor cabin activity. This is ideal for detecting mobile phone use, fatigue, or driver distraction, especially useful for high-risk or regulated industries. Both options connect via built-in 4G LTE, transmitting live and recorded video to the cloud. This gives safety teams instant access, whether it's for coaching, reviewing a near miss, or responding to an incident. Both options have a range of quality accessories, including additional cameras, panic buttons, and cable kits. The VT265, VT145, and the VT245 integrate seamlessly with Simply Unified's Telematics Guru portal, providing fleet-wide visibility for your entire fleet of vehicles, assets, and dashcams. To get the most from your video telematics data, Simply Unified offers Simply Analytics, a powerful platform that transforms raw driver, trip, and camera data into actionable insights. Custom reporting for compliance and performance. Visual dashboards for stakeholders and operational teams. Use it to align safety initiatives, track policy compliance, or optimize training programs, making smarter decisions backed by real data. Smarter technology, safer drivers, stronger decisions. With Simply Unified AI dashcams, Safety Manager portal, and Simply Analytics, you don't just manage your fleet, you empower it. Simply Unified Video Telematics. Safety, visibility, control,